We're at the camp spot. This is so difficult trying to just explain to them.
6,000円、6,000円。マネー。
Go again? 6,000 yen. Is this a mission? Okay. Arigato. Gozaimasu. Okay, is that the number or we can park anywhere? Camping adventure begins. Let's get this party started. Oh. But also, if this is not waterproof, you're way over it. The black is the bottom, but you gotta sort out these things. Yeah. Oh. No, that just hit me. Wait, hang on. Surely it goes higher than that. No. Wait, what? It's the funniest shit ever. No way, this is how the... This looks like a toilet or something. Wait, hang on. No. Yep. How do you get in this thing? Looks like we're gonna be flying away. Oh my god, it's so hot, I can't. Yeah, we need to smoking here. We are in Nara. Nara! Take a look at this. Hello, friends. I'm honestly probably a bit annoyed by all these people. Poor deers. It's like this huge park kind of thing. Hey, what's up, baby? Hey, baby. Hey. Aww. But he thinks that I know. No. Come back for you. I know. That makes me sad. That makes me so sad. Oh. Little mukbang coming up. Overview first. Soy thingy. I got an onigiri meal. Yum. Yummy. Those look so good. Yum. Yeah. This is great. Why is yours filled up all the way? Mine's not the soy. Yeah. I got the soy matcha. The soy matcha. We're chilling. Going up. I'll even get it. Oh, we're gonna fall down these steps. They're humongous. Oh, cute. Pretty fucking cool. Pretty cool. We are gonna... For fuck's sake. That's my foot, doll. Sorry about that. Me and Cara are gonna try and find some coffee around here. Because we don't really get a shit about this. Whatever. What's going on? We do care about it, but we just... I know, I want to go up the top and see like the whole Kyoto. Yeah, exactly. That's what we're gonna do. You can walk up the hill. And that's a hike. I just need a coffee because I'm gonna pass out. Or even just have a little quick nap, 10-minute nap. Yeah, I think the coffee. Okay. I just want to see what's in there first and then go. See what's in here. I just want to see why everyone's looking through there. Yeah, true that. Kind of looks cool. Yeah, so we're doing that and then we're gonna try and get a coffee somewhere. And then we're walking up that hill that you don't see, but you will see it soon. Yippee! What is it about? I don't know. What are they looking at? What's so cool about it? Nah, I'm kidding. Something's up. Coffee is secure. Now we're having our walk up there, up that fucking hill.
Right. Hang on, Liv. No.
You got yourself into this, lady.
Not Liv.
No, you can't do that to them.
Okay.
I'm not on this, guys.
This one's chasing me.
Yeah, you want some more? It's so hot, like I'm sweating. Oh, what the actual? And also that these stairs are quite annoying.
Like a pull up there or something.
Maybe. Running up, athletic girl. Fucking hell. Whew. Oh,
How do they get up here?
sweating.
I don't have any more. Nothing more.
I get friends here now. No. Don't eat my fucking backpack. No, you're not eating my backpack. I'm sorry. Oops, got another one.
Okay. Ready?
We just arrived at our camp spot for the night. And it's so beautiful here, and everyone is just like enjoying their fire and food, and we're just here
With our 7-Eleven Caesar salad. Because we didn't get any equipment to do that.
Very excited for this little Caesar salad. What's up, everyone? We're in our tent. Big chillin' in here. It's actually very cozy. I love this. Why did we do this before? Why did we fucking sleep in the car?
I know.
Honestly.
No, because it was like really cold where we were.
Yeah.
It's a lot warmer down this way.
It's a little warmer. It's actually very nice. I love this.
No, I love it too.
Yeah. We'll see you guys in the morning.
Night.
Night. Rise and shine. I've had the worst sleep ever.
My back's broken.
What? Yeah. Oh. And what is this? And our train leaves in like 40 minutes, so we need to get going. Am I burnt? Like, why am I looking like this? Sleep. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? We are now walking in Kyoto. We both are super fucking tired because neither of us slept tonight. There was so much going on outside. You just hear noises, and then there was a car alarm that went off, and we just like, that was it. I don't know. It's just, I just felt off. I just couldn't sleep. No.
Where are we now?
We're at this famous pancake spot or something, and we've been standing in this line for like 40 minutes maybe.
We've got like
Still got a
maybe
bit
half
left,
an hour or so left.
and we're so tired. But surely we'll be good. So we're big chillin'.
Yeah, and then we can go to Matcha House and get a tiramisu after.
We finally got our pancakes.
This is so good. Oh my god, look at it. The best pancake I've ever had in my life.
Yeah. That's really good, but it's gonna make me really sick. I mean, it is good, but then also like I will feel sick after this. I know it. Really yeah. Whatever. We're in Japan. Maybe we ended up in McDonald's to charge all our shit. And we went to the camp spot before this to move our tent. Like we literally just carried it all over the whole campground. So we're closer to the toilets and everything. And it's starting to rain. It's actually been like a storm with like lightning and shit. So I'm just really wishing that our tent is waterproof. Because otherwise I don't know what we're doing.
I reckon we should just set out the tent up in here. 24 hours.
Yeah. But we're big chillin'. We had a really good day in Kyoto today. We both were just dying and walking around like zombies, and we ate too much sweets, so we just felt so sick for the whole day. And then we went and got some matcha. That just made it worse, and then we were fucking with the trains, and we needed to take like 5 trains to get back. Yeah. Don't even. But now we're just chilling here. I'm drinking my apple juice, and we're gonna wait till our phones are fully charged, and then we're gonna go to 7-Eleven and grab some dinner.
I still want to go back to the campsite. It's gonna be just shocking. It's probably all soaked as well, I reckon. I reckon our tent is all soaked, and we're just gonna float away. Like, we're gonna probably float into the river.
But honestly though, what are we doing if that's...
I don't know. I think that we'll just have to sleep in the car and like sit up. Because there's no way I'm sleeping in the back.
Without a mattress.
No. Yeah, true.
Yeah. We will hopefully survive. Tell them how we slept today.
Great, like so good. I had like messages from mum and my sister like, are you okay? Like the messages aren't sending, like what's up? I'm like, no mum, I just had the best sleep of my life.
Yeah, honestly.
Yeah.
So
we
good.
had a full night of sleep. That's, oh, I'm so happy.
Good morning, friends. We have bought our yogurt and coffee. 7-Eleven, and today we're heading to Kyoto by car. Because we don't want to fuck with the trains, honestly. Can't do that anymore.
So today we are going to rent a bike. And we're going to go around the city.
Yippee!
Around. And
Yeah.
just, I don't know, just see more of Kyoto because we haven't really seen much of
Nah.
Kyoto yet. So that way we can tick off everything today for
Yeah.
riding a bike.
By riding a bike.
Yeah.
That'll be good.
Yeah, so.
That's our plan?
And then, yeah, okay, today we're not going to be eating any sweets.
No.
That's off us.
Yeah.
Not going to have another episode of that day because that was horrible.
Ain't
So
happening.
we're going to enjoy some nice Japanese food today.
Yeah.
I think that's what we're
I reckon
doing.
that's a good idea.
Let's go.
Let's go. We are also wearing our Crocs today.
Is it like locked or some shit? Do you have to get on the bike first or something?
No, I don't think so.
Oh, I can't do it.
Yeah, I honestly don't understand how this works. I'm just like, am I stupid? Like what?
Break the car. Oh, maybe it is.
No, because that feels like you will break it if you do like
Oh,
that.
yeah, found it.
How do you do?
You just like push that middle one in. Push that in first, yeah.
Big chillin' on this thing. How How long have we been biking for?
36 minutes. So we're gonna have a little break and get some lunch, maybe some bagels.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna go sit along the river and have some lunch and then get back on our bikes. Up to the shrines. Yippee!
Getting some water from Family Mart and some bagels from Rabbit Bagel.
Should we get some water first?
Nah. Yeah. Some strawberries. Good?
Oh my god.
Ah!
That's really good.
That's so
Really
good.
refreshing.
Yeah.
Exactly what I wanted.
Yeah.